have to close your eyes. Yeah.
Ready? Okay, you have to close your eyes now. Sit down over there on the pillow. Sit down. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Count to 3.
Count 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's that?
What is that?
What is that? Stay there. Stay there on the pillow.
What is that?
Sit down. Sit down on the pillow. What is that?
What's the E?
You want to open it? Go open it. On there. On the table.
A.
You can do it, right? You can do it. Go open
This
it.
is second.
Yeah. Go open it on the table.
Okay.
Good job. Al is watching too. Go open it.
I cannot.
I wonder what's inside. You can do it. Go pull it some more. On the
What's
table.
that? On the side?
Yeah, on the table. Open it on the table. Maybe Daddy can help you later, but you can do it. There. That one. Pull it. There. Oh, you're so smart. Oh, there you go. It's chocolate inside. Wow.
That's
You're
a
so
very
good. Trey, good job. What's that? Want to bite it? Stay there. Stay there on the table and bite it because there's something inside, right? Want to open it?
Okay.
Over there on the table. Crack it open. Like an egg. Go open. Oh, what's inside it? Open it. You can do it. You can do it. Squeeze it open. Try it. You can. Maybe Daddy can help you.
How do you open this, Trey? Do you squeeze it?
There.
Okay.
See,
I
you
squeezed.
squeezed it open. I told you. Okay, put the yellow thing down. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, what is that? There's like so many pieces that you can put together. I think it's I'm looking at it and I think I know what it is already. Open the paper. Open the paper. What's in the paper? You'll know what's. See? What is that?
Show it to the camera.
Show it to the camera. See?
Show it to everybody.
What's inside the surprise egg?
Here, show it here.
Right here? Open the paper right here.
Open the paper and put it here.
Oh, he's gonna start and put it together already, Daddy. Ooh, smart boy, look. Oh, good job. Let us know if you need help.
What do you have there? Can I see?
It's a toy.
It's
a toy.
toy.
Check it out.
We got a toy.
What is this?
She dropped the cleanup.
Oh, it's
It's
a
a-
bike. It's a bike. You see it?
Yeah.
It's right there. Look.
It's a bicycle.
It's a bicycle.
What color is your bicycle?
Let the clean this up.
No, you have to put it together first. Show us how you do it.
I can.
Oh, tell Daddy to help you out.
Let me help you
want-
out.
You want Daddy to help you out?
No.
Okay. Now he's putting it together, Daddy. There you go. What is that?
See?
It's a bicycle.
We have to clean this up.
You put it all together.
You can put
so
it all
you can
together.
See, you can see how it looks like.
You need help?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
You can do it, Daddy. He's a big boy.
I did it.
You did it, see?
What's an inside in there? It's for the bicycle.
It's a bicycle. Do you like it?
Let's go show it to everybody. It's a bicycle. Right there.
Put it all together, Daddy, so he can see.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? First, you need this.
Watch, Daddy.
Look
Look.
at this. What is this? We put the
wheels.
Good job.
what is this? Trey, look at this. Ooh, it's like this. You can do this too. Ooh. So you can spin this too. Look at that. Look at that. You can spin it too, right, Trey? Yeah, spin.
She's gonna go on the line. She's gonna go on.
You put it together like this, right? Hmm? This is how you do it? Let's go check this out. Ooh, look at that. That's a bike. So, how do you do it?
Show Daddy how to do it, Trey.
Can you show me how?
Oh, he's putting it back together.
Okay.
Let's clean it up.
You better clean it up already. Maybe not. You're not.
Can I eat the chocolate?
No,
It's a
Mommy.
unicycle. Oh, mommy.
No, Mommy, that's his. Sorry about that.
Look at this. It's a unicycle. See that? You see that, Trey? Where's the other parts? There's another parts there.
No. It's another wheel.
There's another wheel over there. Right there. You need to put this together like this.
I don't want.
Like that. Trey, look. You see it? You see it, Trey? Look. Look what I hide.
Ooh, look at the bicycle,
Look at the
Trey.
bicycle.
Excuse me.
I put it together already. It's nice. You see it? Trey?
Here you go, Mommy.
Hmm.
Okay, you can do it. Okay. Good job. You want me to eat the chocolate?
Look what I have, Trey. Trey, look what I have.
It's a bicycle.
What is it?
A bicycle.
It's a bicycle.
Baby girl. It's a bicycle, baby girl. Kuya has a surprise egg. Kuya has a surprise egg.
Here it goes.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, Trey.
Not so
Hey,
funny.
surprise.
Yeah, we gotta put it here, right? And then,
No.
how do you do it? No, no, here. Let's put it here. Okay. Wanna put it there? There's your bike. Go play with your bike.
Oh, did you see the bike trail? Look. That's awesome.
See that sticker?
There's a sticker. Oh, show the camera if there's a sticker. Oh, show.
That is sticker.
Is that a sticker?
Let's go clean it up now.
Okay, let's go clean it up. And so we can play with the bicycle. There's your bicycle right there.
What's inside the golden egg?
Is that a golden egg?
You have to open it first, okay? Wait. Baby on the table.
Bye, Trey.